Good day everybody, welcome back. Zebulon Blades here. Willem is my name. And as you know, we're in South Africa. The place of lockdown. Doing it for weeks. Feels like this is never going to end. Fortunately, Uncle Cyril has lifted the lockdown somehow from the first, somewhat. I'm in the Northern Cape, so I'm not going to be affected by the lockdown that heavily anymore. But what the lockdown has given us an opportunity to spend some quality time with family. So, my son was up here from Cape Town, 1,000 kilometers from here. He's in the boarding school there, 17 years old, grade 11, nearly done with schooling. So while he was here, we did a couple of things. We built a forge. So if you haven't watched that, I'll put a link up here somewhere. Don't know how's it going to work, but I'll try. And go ahead, watch that, like it, subscribe, whatever, you know. So as we are new to forging, we don't have any tongs to use in the forge. Clever me, build a forge and don't have tongs. Well, he made us some tongs yesterday while I was busy in the shop playing around with a knife. He made us these 3 tongs. Flat one, I suppose you can grab flat things and then a round thing as well. Forge. I've got a box tongs. Square. See there? Suppose that's for square stock. If you want to grab square stock. I think it's the right length. Feels nice. And also blade tongs for your finished blade. If you're heat treating, I suppose. Or if you want to do some refinement on shape or something, you're going to use that one there. Bam! Here you go. Okay, no forging involved in these. Welding, cutting metal, drilling holes with a drill press and nuts and bolts. I'm not sure if the other blacksmiths out there is going to frown upon tongs like this, but for us it'll work. So yeah, I'm going to leave you for now. I'll roll the video of how we made this. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Away from me, I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear. I tried this, tried that, tried everything. Coming right back, won't you wait for me? I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear. Hey, good day everybody. Welcome back to Zebulon Blades. I'm Willem. Hey, welcome back everybody. Welcome back to Zebulon Blades. My name is Willem. And today I'm going to show you what we've made so far. Nothing. Should have kept the first video. I should have just shown that. Because now I'm rambling here and I'm making mistakes and I'm just doing it over and over and over again. Well, let's try it once more.